Today we are going to learn how to resize the image without distortion, so let's get started. In this photo, I want to extend the background without distorting the main subject. But when we try to scale the background, the subject also gets stretched. I don't really want that. To avoid that, we need to add a protection on the main subject. Select the Object Selection tool or press W. Make a selection over it. It will automatically make a selection. This tool really works great when your photo have a prominent subject and rest of the background is blurred. Let's save the selection. Right click, save selection. Name it man because it's a man. Click OK. Now we don't want the selection, so we can deselect it. Right click, deselect. Let me show you where exactly it was saved. It's in your channel tab right here. Click on it. You can see the alpha channel is already created. Now scale the background. But we are not going to use a normal scale, we are going to use content aware scale. Go to edit, select content aware scale. Now while holding Alt Shift, stretch it to the sides. It's already looking great, but the image a little bit stretched. See what happened when we narrow down the stretch. It's like he is shrinking inside the wall and trying to stop the stretch with the hands. He needs protection, so let's protect it. There's this tool called Protect right on the header. Click on the drop down and select man. It was the same channel we just created now. Now when we stretch the photo, it is basically protected by the selection. Let me show you another feature of it. Set it back to none and click on this man icon. Now when we stretch the image, it will only protect the skin tones, not the clothes. And when we make it off, stretch will affect everything. So you need to use this option only when you set the value right. Otherwise the results is devastating. You can use both features as well. I hope you learned something useful, and if you do, hit the subscribe button. Tell me your views in the comment section, it's very important for me. My name is Shubham, thank you so much for watching Graphic Arena. Let's meet on another great tutorial. For the time being, goodbye.